Hi class, this is second part of lab 6. I'm going to focus on these two numbers. Estimate to completion ETC and estimate at completion. Basically one says how much money from now till the end of the project you would be spending. And this is how much money total. So that's that the total money will be spent on the project. So I need to explain to you a little bit the idea here. So when I say two scenarios, this is scenario 1, this is scenario 2, and I put my budget here. Total planned budget is $5,000, and this each iteration would be $1,000, 5 iterations total. So I put them there so we can see everything in front of us. So the reason you're behind the schedule here, you're behind the schedule and over budget, there might be technology issues, there might be personal issues, there might be scope issues, there might be stakeholder issues. Whatever the issue is, scenario 1 is saying that those problems disappear. So everything from now on will be perfect, meaning that you had a $50,000 project, a $5,000 project, excuse me, and you already achieved this much value, so that much is left, and everything from now on will be perfect, meaning that for every dollar you spend, you earn $1 worth of work done. So you need this much money from now till the end of the project, because that's when the word is perfect. CPI would be 1. It means that you only need $1 for every dollar worth of work. So that's the money from now till the end of the project, which was the total value you wanted to get minus the value achieved so far. And then so how much money total will be spent on the project would be what you would need to spend from now till the end of the project, plus what you have spent so far. Very easy. Yes, so this is gonna end up being a $5,000, 60 and 60 extra. So this is the total money you would spend by the end of the project. The scenario that is described here, saying that the problems will persist. So whatever the problem was, they will still stay with you. So for that matter, means that for every dollar worth of or every dollar you spend, you're gonna get 94 cents done. So for every, gonna come down here. So for every dollar worth of work to be done, you'll have to spend more than $1. How much more? That's gonna be, and I'm gonna do this also, that's gonna be 1 over your CPI. No, not this one. I'm gonna say 1 divided by your overall CPI. So for every dollar worth of work, you would actually need to spend $1.07. So meaning that when I stay here and I say how much value is left to be accomplished, this is a $5,000 project and I've achieved 875. This much is left, but for this much to be done, I need to spend this much. So for every dollar that's left, I need to spend $1.07. So this becomes a bigger number. Look here, it's 4,100. This is 4,400, because you have to spend more, because the problems will persist. And then the total money you would spend on the project will be this number that you have to spend from now till the end, plus what you have spent so far, and that's going to be the project. So if the problems persist, this is what you would need to spend I'm gonna put it orange. And if the problem disappears, this is how much money you would have to spend. So this one is saying that $1 worth of work, $1 will be spent. This one is saying that $1 worth of work to be done, $1.07 have to be spent. What is that number? It's 1 over CPI. So I'm going to say it's I'm going to write it down for you here. 1 over CPI. So CPI, this is CPI is saying that you get 94 cents worth of work for every dollar spent. This one is saying that for every dollar worth of work, you would need to spend $1.07. So there is CPI, tells you how much you earn for $1 spent. There is 1 over CPI, tells you how much to spend for every dollar worth of work. And this is going to be EAC for scenario 2, EAC for scenario 1. This is ETC, ETC. So this is money I'm going to spend from now till the end. This is going to be the total cost of the project. Money from now till the end, total cost of the project. So I'm going to put this in a smaller version so it shows everything to you. And maybe I don't need this one. Maybe I can delete this one. And I'm going to stay here for 10 more seconds and let you go and work on your Excel sheet. Maybe I need it a little smaller. Yeah, I'm going to stay here.